Welcome back guys to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to change oil on a Yamaha YZ85. Tom speaking here. Let's go. Okay, before we do any maintenance on our bikes, what's the number one rule? We have to clean. Because if it's not clean, then it's not going to be fun to work with. So let's get cleaning right here, right now. Okay, now I've set up my bike. Come here. This is what we need to do. Come down. So we have this bolt that we have to take out. This one right here. I'm gonna unscrew this one, and then the oil will leak out, and then we have to open this one so the oil drains faster. Then we're gonna take this bolt and clean it good, okay? And now we're going to use this oil. It's the best for our bikes. And we're gonna need 500 milliliters right here. 500. By the way, it's better to use gloves, but I don't really care because I could just wash my hands after, but gloves are recommended. We need a 10 millimeter tool to open our drain bolt, okay? Let's go. Okay, I got that. Bada bing, bada boom, we got our bolts out. Okay, this is our beautiful bolt. I'm just gonna lay it down. And then I'm going to open our cap to make the oil drain faster. Here's our cap. I'll put it in a safe place and let's go clean our stuff. Okay, now that we have our beautiful bolt clean, I will set this aside and I will put it in, but we're going to need to clean our hole because it's dirty. Yep, we just have to okay, I will put my bolt in. Now I'm putting it, but first start with your hands and then go with your tool. It'll be easier. Okay, now that we have put our bolt inside, it's a great time to start putting our oil in. You don't want to put it immediately or else it's going to overflow, so we'll do it slowly but surely. Okay, now I put in my oil, but before I have to put it, I have to clean my motor for any spills that I made. Okay, nice and clean, and we have to clean our bolt. Nice and clean. Now we put it inside. Okay, now that you have oil changed, did everything, cleaned your place, let the bike run for 1 minute, and that's it. Okay guys, I gotta go, so see you next time.